Hello everyone. So today we will be looking to the Aiken, which is the one of the smart contract language for Cardano, and we will install this Aiken. Once installed, we will start writing the hello world program, which generally locks some fund into script, and we will unlock the funds. Now it created the respective files. It also created the toml file. Now we will write our first validator, which is a contract only. And we build the contract, and this is our script address, testnet address. Now we will create the wallets. Now it created the wallet. So this is our address, and we will request some fund. It have sent the funds. We will wait for some time to receive the fund. Now we have received the fund. Now currently we are writing the lock hello world lock smart contract, and we have replaced our key, Blockfrost key, and we are using the C bar for our contract here. And we are using wallet 1, which is key.xk, which is the private key. This is the whole file which contain all the steps. Now we will be locking 10 ADA. So I have updated the value. Now I will run the transaction. So it has successfully sent the transaction on the blockchain. I can see it locked 10 ADA, you can see on the transaction, and this is the inline datum, and this datum matches with the datum that we received from while submitting the transaction. And this is our smart contract, where it says redeemer should be hello world, and it should be must be signed with the owner, and those both conditions should be matched. Then only we will be able to unlock the transaction, unlock the funds. So this is the script address, and this is our transaction. Now we will create a unlock file. and we will copy paste all the required code, and we will replace the Blockfrost key. You will need to use your key. This is just for the demo. I will delete the key after the demo, and we will unlock 10 data, and we will replace the transaction hash with the transaction hash that we have submitted earlier, and this should contain the datum as in previous one, which was hello world, and we are using the key .sk, which is the wallet private key. Now I will run this file, which will unlock the funds. Okay, so it says this transaction ID, and I will look into the transaction ID. Yes, now I can see it have sent the 10 ADA to this address, so it has 10,000 ADA here. Now we will look into the vesting smart contract, where we can lock the fund for specific amount of time, and after that only we can unlock it from the smart contract. Okay, so we will create the file to generate two wallet. First wallet would be the owner one, and second would be the beneficiary. So owner will lock the fund, and beneficiary will unlock the fund from the smart contract. So it created two wallets. Now I will request fund for the owner account from the testnet. So this is it. The timing is calculated in milliseconds. So I will create a timing where when I want to unlock the funds, and based on that I will create the transaction. You can use this website for reference. Submitted transaction, lock transaction, and I can see the fund has been locked. Okay, and this is the data. It locked the 28 out. Now I will start the unlock of this funds from the beneficiary account. So I have copied the transaction ID. And I will submit the transaction. Now it says there's some error because the time has not been passed yet. So after some time, whatever the timing that has given, after that time we will be able to unlock the funds. There is some like I have faced some error as well, but after submitting some 2 or 3 times I was able to submit the transaction, and I was able to unlock the funds. So this is the transaction ID, and I will go to the beneficiary account. Now I can see it has received the funds from the blocked script. So this is done. Now we will be creating a same vesting contract with the some metadata, so that we know that what is the context behind the contract. So I have submitted the transaction, and this is the transaction ID, and it contains the metadata that it says that we will be able it is locked until this time, and we will be able to unlock it after the time has been passed. Okay, now we will unlock the smart contract, and just this metadata just contain unlock the 1038 hour. Now I have submitted the unlock transaction, and it have unlocked the key, unlock the fund. And if I got here, read the transaction, and we can see it have unlocked the 38 hour. And the address, beneficiary address has that 38 hour. Okay. So I think this was from this video. Thank you everyone.